Today we are going to discuss on a topic regular and irregular verb in English grammar. So let's begin. Before beginning the topic, we should know about verb. So what is a verb? A verb is a word that expresses an action or a state of being. In a simple language, we can say it's a doing word. It's a doing word. So let's understand by an example. Mark eats his dinner quickly. Here verb is eats. Second example, we went to the market. Here verb is went. Number 3, you write neatly in your notebook. Here write is verb. Number 4, they thought about all the prizes in the competition. Here thought is a verb. So we can clearly observe from the example that all the red words indicate a verb. So here is a small story of Cinderella. So let's read. Cinderella lived in a small village in England with her stepmother and two stepsisters. No one in the family loved her. She worked for the whole day, whereas her sister did nothing. One day, the family received an invitation to a party at the king's palace. Cinderella, too, like her sister, wanted to go to the party, but her mother refused to take her. So we can observe that few words are in the boxes. Are you able to find any similarity? Yes, we can see. Each word end with ed. Here, each word are ending with ed. We can observe clearly. So, what we can say? All these are past form of verb. Okay, we know that what is past form. Past form means which has already happened. So now let's talk about the topic regular verb. The verb that end in ed, the or t in their past form are called regular verb. Example, work. So its past form is worked. It is ending with ed. Next, receive. Its past form is received, ending with d. Next, build. Its past form is built. So we can observe that any verb whose past form are ending in ed, d or t, we can say that they are regular verbs. So here are spelling pattern of regular verb. So one by one we will observe. Number 1, consonant plus y. So here few examples are given: try, cry, supply. So what's the rule? The rule is that we will drop y, and dropping y we will add ied. So try become tried, cry become cried, supply become supplied. For a 10 second, please observe the verb ending with consonant plus y. Then you can understand. I hope you are not facing any problem. So let's go to our next. Next, second one is vowel plus y. Vowel plus y. So we know that vowels are a, e, I, o, u. So if any word whose ending letters are vowel plus y, then we add ed. So here we can observe that examples were given: sway, delay. So sway become swayed, delay become delayed. Observe it for 10 seconds, then we'll go to next one. So next is consonant plus e. So any words whose last letters are consonant with e, so we are adding ed. So let's see the example: behave become behaved, share become shared, change become changed. Observe it for 10 seconds, then we will go for the next one. Next is one vowel plus one consonant. So we can observe the example that drop, hop, rip. So what's the rule? Double the consonant and add ed. So we are doubling p here in drop. So it become dropped plus ed. So dropped. Hop become hopped. Rip become ripped. Observe it for 10 seconds, then we'll go for the next one. Next is two vowels plus one consonant. So here are the example: clean, cook, rain. It's simple, we'll add ed. So clean become cleaned, cook become cooked, rain become rained. Observe it for 10 seconds. Next is two consonants. So here the example: burn, work, call. So we are adding ed. So burn become burned, work become worked, call become called. So what's the trick? I will now say a trick here. So trick is that any word which are ending with y, here we are adding ied, dropping the y. Okay, and any word ending with one vowel and one consonant, then we are doubling the consonant and adding ed. Rest of the rule remains same. What the rule? That we will be adding ed. Only two special cases are there, that case number 1 where consonant plus y, and case number 4 where one vowel plus one consonant. So you should memorize the table for better understanding. Now here are some regular verb simple past and past participle form: travel, traveled, traveled; tell, told, told; sleep, slept, slept; shoot, shot, shot; say, said, said; meet, met, met; lend, lent, lent; light, light, lighted; learn, learned, learnt; lead, led; keep, kept; flow, flowed; feed, fed; dream, dreamt; burn, burned, bend, bent. Simple past and past participle form are same. So if you remember the simple past, no need to remember the past participle form. But here you should not remember, since if you remember the rules that we have learned here, then there is no need of remembering that table. Now let understand with her example what type of question can come in exam. Complete with the correct form of given verb. So you dash the plant. So water will be watered. Since we know that water past form will be watered. Second, she worked as a teacher. So work will be worked. Third, they shouted at the tourist. So shout past form is shouted. Next is negative sentence. To form a negative sentence in past tense, we use did not with the base form of verb. With the base form of the verb. Listen, you have to understand what is the base form of the verb. So I will be showing the table. The base form of the verb is the first one, the first column. That travel, tell, sleep, sort, say, meet, lend, light, learn, lead, keep, flow, feed, dream, burn, bend. All that are base form. Why base form? They are the simple one and they are in present. Okay, that's why they are called base form. So here we can see an example. Cinderella's stepmother loved her. So we are converting in the negative sentence. So loved is given in past form. So its base form is, we know that love base form is love. Loved base form is love. So what will be the sentence? Cinderella's stepmother did not love her. Okay, I hope you understand. Here are the few examples for better understanding. Complete the following. They swam on Saturday, but they dash on Sunday. So it's given swam. Swam is given in past form. Its base form will be swim. So did not swim. Here I went to work on Monday, but dash to work on Tuesday. So went is in past form. Its base form will be go. So what will be the sentence? I went to work on Monday, but I did not go to work on Tuesday. Third, he bought a new car. He dash a second hand car. Here bought is in past form and its base form will be buy. So what will be the sentence? He bought a new car. He did not buy a second hand car. I hope you have understand this topic. It's a quite easy. Now here you come irregular verb. Irregular verb is just opposite of regular verb. In regular verb we have observed that the words are ending with ed, okay, in their past form. But here in irregular verb, the verbs that do not end in ed, means the words that don't end in ed in their past form are called as irregular verb. So here are some example of verb. See, saw, seen, go, went, gone, tell, told, told, stand, stood, stood, were, or, on. So we can observe that in its past form, none of the words are ending in ed in their past form. So they are irregular verbs. So we have seen that in regular verb there was a rule. Rule means that table which we have learned. But in irregular verb there is no such rules. So we have to memorize. Okay, so we have to memorize the table. The verb past and past participle form. Be, is, am, are will be was, were, been. Become, became, become. Bear, bore, born, born. Begin, began, begun. Blow, blew, blown. Build, built, built. Bring, brought, brought. Choose, choose, chosen. Dig, dug, dug. Drink, drank, drunk. Drive, drove, driven. Eat, ate, eaten. Fight, fought, fought. So observe the table for 10 seconds, then we will move to the next slide. So next one is give, gave, given. Hit, hit, hit. Hurt, hurt, hurt. Know, knew, known. Lend, lent, lent. Ring, rang, rung. Rise, rose, risen. Run, ran, run. Shake, shook, shaken. Shrink, shrank, shrunk. Sing, sang, sung. Next, sit, sat, sat. Sting, stung, stung. Strike, struck, struck. Swing, swang, swang. Tear, tore, torn. Throw, threw, thrown. Wake, woke, woken. Wind, wound, owned. Write, wrote, written. So we have to memorize that table. Okay. So here the example question. Write the past and past participle tense of each irregular verb. So present will be given, you have to write the past and past participle form. So we have seen already in the table that become, become, write, wrote, written, eat, ate, eaten. I hope you have understand what is regular and irregular verb from this video. If you are facing any problem, please repeat 1 or 2 more time the video, then we can easily understand the topic. And I have attached some assignment below the video. You can see in the link.